Can y'all hear the rain? Thunderstorm out here. South Carolina. I think it's hailing too. I was gonna go sit on the porch till I heard that hail. It's knocking on all the walls, the windows, the doors. Just the view from my window. Power of the Most High God is magnificent. I love His weather. Especially when it rains and thunders. It's cleansing to my soul. I hope y'all can hear this. My baby's scared. I got a special place for him in my room. My bear. He don't like the thunder and stuff, so I have a special room where, a special spot in my room. It's like a little cubby hole. It's tight and secure. You know, makes him feel safe, and I can pet him and love on him. He over there. And my baby boy knocked. He knocked out. Sleeping through all the thunder and banging and booming. Hailstorm. I think this is one of the reasons I like South Carolina. It just seems like the raindrops are louder and huge, and I don't know, it's just a different sound, and I love it.